Rafi and the Magical Map Adventure. Once upon a time, in a small village named Grainfield, there lived a curious boy named Rafi. Rafi loved exploring new places, but he often got lost because he didn't know how to follow directions properly. One sunny morning, while cleaning his grandfather's old trunk, Rafi found a shiny roll up map. It glittered in the sunlight and had a note that said, "Follow the direction and find the hidden treasure." Excited, Rafi ran outside. The map showed arrows and letters NSEW, but Rafi didn't know what they mean. Just then, his parrot Mitu flew over and said, "These are directions. N is for north, S is for south, E is for east, and W is for west." Rafi's eyes winded. "Wow, Mitu, then let's start." The first clue on the map said, "Walk 10 steps toward the east." Rafi looked at the rising sun and walked 10 steps. Next clue, "Turn north and go to the big mango trees." He turned left and followed the path until he reached a tall mango tree. Then the final clue said, "Go west to the old well and the treasure will be near." Rafi followed the map carefully and soon found a small box near the well. He opened it, and inside was a beautiful compass and a note saying, "The real treasure is learning how to find your way." Rafi smiled and thanked Mitu. From that day on, he never got lost again because he learned to use direction and maps. Moral: learning direction help us find our way and exploring the world confidently. Thank you.